Are you a small business owner hearing about AI everywhere, but not sure what it really means for you? Let's simplify it. Artificial intelligence is software that helps automate tasks, analyze data, and improve decision-making. It can answer customer questions, draft marketing content, categorize expenses, and even help forecast cash flow. For small business owners, that means one thing: saving time. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, AI can handle the routine work so you can focus on growth. There are 4 main ways small businesses use AI. First, marketing. AI can generate ad copy, improve SEO, and analyze campaign results. Second, customer service. Chatbots can respond 24/7 and reduce support workload. Third, accounting. AI can track expenses, monitor cash flow, and detect unusual transactions. Fourth, analytics. It studies your data and helps you make smarter business decisions. But here's the important part. AI is a tool, not a replacement for strategy. If you spend money on AI, it should increase revenue or reduce costs. If it doesn't improve your bottom line, it's just another expense. And remember, you are still responsible for compliance. If AI misclassifies expenses or mishandles data, the responsibility is still yours. That's why implementation matters. Before using AI, ask yourself, where are my biggest bottlenecks? Will this tool actually improve profitability? Is my data secure? And am I reviewing the results regularly? When used correctly, AI can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and support smarter growth. When used carelessly, it can create financial confusion. The difference is strategy and oversight. AI won't replace business owners, but business owners who use AI wisely will have an advantage. If you're thinking about integrating AI into your business, start small, test carefully, and make sure your accounting stays accurate and compliant. Smart growth always starts with smart decisions. Follow for more practical business tips to help you grow smarter and stay compliant.